flexibility exercises for lower body muscles. Let's do it. Exercise number 1, Good Morning Squat. Instructions: stand with feet shoulder width apart, hinge at your hips, keeping your back straight, and lower your torso toward the floor. Engage your hamstrings and glutes as you return to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. Benefits: this exercise enhances hamstring flexibility by promoting a deep stretch. Additionally, it strengthens the lower back muscles and improves overall posture, contributing to better spinal alignment. Keep watching. See you in the next exercise. Exercise number 2, High Knee Squat. Instructions: lift your knees towards your chest while squatting down, maintaining a controlled and balanced movement. Alternate legs with each repetition. Aim for 4 sets of 10 reps. Benefits: high knee squats boost hip flexibility by incorporating dynamic movements. They also provide an effective workout for the quadriceps while enhancing dynamic stability, making it an excellent exercise for overall lower body strength and mobility. Keep watching. See you in the next exercise. Exercise number 3, Long Arm Heel Touch. Instructions: stand with legs straight, reaching down with one arm to touch the opposite heel. Keep your legs straight throughout the movement. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps on each side. Benefits: the long arm heel touch stretches the hamstrings and lower back, promoting flexibility. This exercise also engages the core muscles, aiding in better stability and balance. Keep watching. See you in the next exercise. Exercise number 4, Plyo Side Lunge Stretch. Instructions: perform dynamic side lunges with a jump, alternating sides. Ensure controlled landings to minimize impact. Aim for 3 sets of 12 lunges on each side. Benefits: the Plyo Side Lunge Stretch increases hip mobility through dynamic movements. It also works on inner thigh flexibility and adds a cardiovascular element to your routine, making it a well-rounded exercise. Keep watching. See you in the next exercise. Exercise number 5, Pseudo Planche Push UPS. Instructions: execute push-ups with hands positioned farther back, emphasizing the shoulders and chest. Maintain a straight line from head to heels throughout the movement. Aim for 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Benefits: Pseudo Planche Push UPS develops shoulder flexibility and strength, targeting the chest and triceps. The exercise also engages the core, promoting overall upper body stability. Keep watching. See you in the next exercise. Exercise number 6, Stretching Boat Stretch. Instructions: sit on the floor, lift your legs, and reach your arms towards your toes, creating a V shape with your body. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat for 3 sets. Benefits: the boat stretch is effective in stretching the hamstrings and lower back. It engages the core muscles, promoting abdominal strength and improving balance. Keep watching. See you in the next exercise. Exercise number 7, stretching, ceiling look stretch. Instructions: lie on your back, raise one leg, and reach towards the ceiling with both hands. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds on each leg, repeating for 3 sets. Benefits: this stretch promotes flexibility in the hips and lower back, making it beneficial for those looking to improve overall lower body flexibility and range of motion. Keep watching. See you in the next exercise. Exercise number 8, stretching, knee raise. Instructions: while standing, lift one knee towards your chest, holding the position for 15 to 20 seconds. Repeat on the other leg. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps on each leg. Benefits: the knee raise stretch enhances hip flexibility and improves balance. It also strengthens the hip flexors, contributing to better overall lower body functionality. Unlock the power of flexibility and conquer your lower body limitations. Remember, flexibility is the key to longevity. Keep stretching, stay strong, and embrace the freedom in your movements.